Hello friends, and welcome back to another interesting video where we will make another like, subscribe and get notified button. This is how your button is going to look like. So first we go to home and choose a blank slide. Then on the white screen, do a right mouse click, go to format background and solid fill, choose a green screen. Close this. Now we will require our shapes. Go to insert, shape, circle, choose one circle. And we will need one more shape. So I will go to insert again, shapes and rounded rectangle. Now we will have to color them. So click on the circle, format, shape fill, make it red, shape outline, make it black. And the rounded rectangle, click on it, format, shape fill, make it blue and shape outline black. Now I am going to copy the red circle. So Ctrl C and make 2 copies. So paste it twice. So my 3 circles are ready. Now I am going to even need 2 of the rounded rectangles. So Ctrl C and paste it twice. And make sure that you make it into a step. It will be in the form of a step. And this one I am going to just draw it out with it. So my rounded rectangles are also ready. Now I will bring the circles in front. Hold the control button on your keyboard and click on the 3 red circles and right mouse click on any one. Go down to bring to front and bring to front option. So your red circles are in front. Now we will need your like button. So in Google Chrome in the search bar, go to like button, go to images and then choose the clip art. Choose the ones which are clip art. Over here you can see my one is a clip art. So I'm going to copy this, right mouse click, copy and paste. Click on the image, make it small. Make sure to remove the background. So click on the image, go to format, remove background. Draw the size. So my like button is ready. Make it little big. Next, I'm going to need a YouTube logo. So I will go to insert online pictures. In the search bar, I will type YouTube logo. Enter, type, clip art. Choose anyone. I'm going to choose this. Make it small and fit it into the second circle. And I'm going to need a bell icon. So insert online picture, search bar, bell icon, type, clip art. I choose this, you can choose anyone. Make it little big and then put it in the circle. Now I'm going to need a copy of each. But before that, in the blue boxes, we are going to write the like, subscribe and get notified. So click on the first rectangle, bold, you can choose any font size and font type, white and type the word like. Then again click on the second one and just bring this to the middle, click on the second one, size is 40, bold, white and write the word subscribe. And click on the third one, bold, size is 40, white and type get notified. Now I'm going to group a few things. So click on the like button and left control button on your keyboard and click on the circle and Control G. So they become group. So I will group the other two also. So YouTube and circle and group. Bell, circle, group. So you will group by pressing the control button and G on your keyboard. Now I am going to need a duplicate. So Ctrl C V, Ctrl C V and Ctrl C V. So I've got 2 of each. Now I'm going to take the ones which I pasted. I'm going to take them outside. So my buttons are ready. Now we are going to provide animations. So I will click on the ones which are outside. I'm going to bring them inside. So again click on the shape, hold down the control button on the keyboard and click on the other 2 shapes. Go to animation, add animation and go to line. effect option, right. So we can see that it comes in. Before that, since these in the animation pane, you will go to do a right mouse button and go to the timing and make it 1 second fast. The first one is the like button, so I'm going to make it start with previous. The second one start after, and the third one start after. Now click on the red arrow and then holding the circle, drag these shapes inside so that they line with each other. Now we are going to make them disappear. So again click on the shapes, add animation and go to disappear. Now the first one, group 13, I'm going to drag it and right mouse click, start after previous. Second one I'll drag up, start after previous, and the last one start after previous. After that, the ones which are inside, that is these, I'm going to make them appear. So again, control button on your keyboard and select the shapes, go to add animation and make them appear. So all three will appear. Now you will have to drag them up, reorder little. So I will drag this up and start after. Drag this up, start after. Just follow my mouse so that it is easy for you to make it. Now I'm going to make them swivel. So I will again hold down the control button on the keyboard and click on the shapes, add animation, and on the entrance you will go to swivel option. Now while these are selected, I'm going to do a right mouse click on any one, timing and make it fast. I will make it 1 second fast. The first one, it is easy for you to understand in this order if you do, because you can see group 9, so under group 9 will come group 9, right mouse click, start after previous, pick this up, group 10, under group 10 start after previous, and group 11 under group 11 start after previous. Now we are going to make the like, subscribe and get notified come by pin. So again hold down the control button and click on the blue boxes, add animation, under entrance you will go to white, and then effect option and choose from left. Now this is the first one, that is the light. So I'm going to pick it up, drag it up and keep it here under group 9, start after. This is the subscribe button, so pick it up, right mouse click, start after, and this is the last one, right mouse click, start after. Now they are going to wipe out. So again control button and select the shapes, add animation, under exit you will do wipe, effect option from right. And since they are already selected, so right mouse click and just do start after previous. You can see all will start after previous. And then the shapes, the circles, we are going to make them move out. So again, these shapes which are there, you will hold down the control button and click on the shapes, go to add animation, and under exit you will go to the lines option and effect option, and then go to the left option. Now these are selected, so I'm going to do a right mouse click. First I will change the timing, go to the timing option and make it 1 second fast. So they move out fast. Now we have to rearrange them again. So group 9 I'm going to drag and pick it up and do start after previous. This one I'm going to drag, pick it up, start after, and start right mouse click, start after. So everything you will just have to do start after previous. Now we will just play the entire thing once. So your like, subscribe and get notified is ready. Now you will want to convert this, so go to File, Save As option, Browse. Then go to Desktop, Go to desktop, give whatever file name you want and save as type. Select the drop down and go to MPEG 4 and save. You can see your presentation is converting to the video format. So it's converted. You can minimize this, and over here you can see it is ready. So you will double click it once and there your presentation is ready. This is on the white background, and the next one you will see how it looks on the green screen. So you can make it however you want. If you are making for YouTube videos, you can make it on your green screen. So thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming video.